Although Christmas is nearly upon us, there's still time to make these wonderful 3D tree decorations, brought to you by our very own Stitch Witch, Lynette Harris. There are a variety of designs to choose from, and all have an easy-to-use kit. Our sewing maestro, Kate Barlow, shows us how to transform a piece of fabric with her simple embroidery stitches, again with a Christmas theme. As 2022 draws to a close, Daphne Morris talks us through the final central heart block of her family throw. And in a separate video, we also get her expert advice on how to assemble the blocks to create the throw. The finishing touch of the tassels will be next month. And we get to enjoy a lovely chat with Sandy Lush that we had with her at the West Country Quilt Show. Sandy is the queen of hand quilting, and we were also thrilled to be shown some of her very original quilt and fabric designs and learn about the inspiration behind these truly iconic artworks. New videos are released on Justhands-on.tv every Friday. Become a paid subscriber to enjoy unlimited access to all our online classes by Britain's finest tutors to help you with your projects from as little as £5 a month.